Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Youngstown local and long distance movers near me. The process of relocation is always stressful because it requires a lot of planning and preparation, without which you cannot have a successful relocation. You should also not try to organize your move yourself. Not only might you damage some of the items beyond repair, but you may also lose them in transit, and both are negatives that you do not want to have on your mind. Invite a professional relocation firm. When you hire a professional firm like 3 Movers to handle your relocation, the chance that your relocation will succeed will improve sporadically. We have been in the business of transporting people and their belongings from one place of residence to another. The experience we have garnered over the years serves as an extra weapon in our armory, a means to serve our customers better. Locals of Youngstown in Arizona can attest to the brilliance of our service and how organized we are when managing clients who want to relocate. We are proven over the years to be the perfect option for people who want to make a local or long distance relocation and to the area. We have provided many relocations that have totally removed the stress angle. Do you want to know more about the services we have to offer? In addition to local and long distance moving, our Youngtown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.